Good morning. Now let's see the execution of the second question of how it gets executed. So before that, um, let's see what the question says. So the question says that we need to create a Java program that would read 10 numbers. It would and it would store it in an array, creating three threads named as namely even odd, and do the following operations. Like in 2 seconds delay, even thread would display all the even numbers, and then in again through 2 seconds delay, odd thread would display all the odd numbers. um, now let's see how the execution happens. Let me share my screen. Okay. So over here, we have created a package named as multi-thread. As I've already said, we have to create a package name that is relatable to the context, but relatable to the question. And then we're using java.util because we are going to take QC defined input from the program. So then we create even thread class. Even thread class is created, which is built-in thread class. It would take the array of integer through constructors, and then it would store it in the array called ARR, and then it would run the method which is overridden. Each after each number, it would pass for 2 seconds using thread.sleep. Into which we give time delay for 2 seconds, and then if the sleep is interrupted, it would catch interrupted exception. In odd thread, we would again create odd thread, a class called odd thread, and then extending that thread, we could perform similar structure like we have performed in the even number, even thread. But this time it would print only odd numbers from the same array. Again, by 2 seconds of delay between each number, it would print the odd numbers. So we come to the main class. When we come to the main class, uh, thread of thread example ordered is our main class in our program, where the actual execution begins. We create scanner in that, we get user input. We ask for 10 numbers to be entered by the user, and it would store in array. And then even thread would be executed, or thread would be executed. Both would receive the same array of numbers as input. E dot thread of statements would start the execution for even number, and join method would wait for the thread to finish its execution, and then again odd thread would start. Join method would uh, wait for its execution to finish off, and then finally uh, the execution is being closed. Now let's see how the output looks like. Okay, so let me run the output now. 10 numbers I'm gonna give. So even numbers would be executed first. Even thread would work first. The delay of 2 seconds, and then followed by it, odd numbers would be executed in the delay of 2 seconds again. And then after both the execution of both threads execution, all threads would be completed. Message would be shown. Thank you. Thanks for watching.